Tired of seeing that annoying "this site can't be reached" error in Chrome? Let's squash it in just a minute and a half. First off, the basics. This error usually means your browser can't connect to the website you're trying to visit. The reasons can range from simple to a bit more complex, but we'll cover the most common culprits. Start by checking your internet connection. Is your Wi-Fi on and connected? Try restarting your router. Unplug it, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Sometimes that's all it takes. Next, give the page a simple refresh. Click the reload button in your browser's address bar, or press the F5 key on your keyboard. It might have just been a temporary glitch. Let's clear your browser cache and cookies. Go to Chrome settings, then click privacy and security, and then clear browsing data. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked, and then click clear data. Faulty browser extensions can sometimes cause problems. Go to Chrome settings and click on extensions. Toggle off extensions one by one to see if that resolves the issue. Your computer's DNS server might be acting up on Windows. Open your control panel, go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, and then change adapter settings. Right-click on your active network adapter, select Properties, and then find Internet Protocol version for TCP/IPv4 highlighted and click Properties. Make sure both obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. If they aren't, select them and click OK if they are already selected. Try switching to a public DNS server like Google DNS by selecting use the following DNS server addresses and entering 8888 as the preferred DNS server and 8844 as the alternate DNS server. Then close all windows to apply. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be back to browsing in no time. If the problem persists, it might be an issue with the website itself. So try again later. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.